Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing great. And this would be our lecture 4 in the oral surgery series. And today we will be combining everything, whatever we have learned together, and applying everything as to the name of the instrument when we do a simple extraction or when we do a surgical extraction. Because today we will be talking about principles of exodoncia. So let's begin. So before we start, as usual, like everything, I want to give an overview first, and then I'm going to delve deep into which instrument to use when, and the forces to apply on which tooth, and so on. So extraction of teeth. Extraction of teeth involves the removal of the whole tooth or the root, depending on what's remaining in the mouth. And then you want to make sure there's minimal trauma to the supporting tissue, because when you're trying to extract the tooth, there's obviously it's a surgery which you're doing on the tooth, right? On